All right, we're talking about the R. Kelly trial with the legal expert Thomas Glasgow joining us once again. And it's been 6 years since, hopefully the trial will go on as scheduled today. I guess they're asking for another postponement.
Yeah.
But in 6 years, what exactly is the big issue here? What are they trying him for? Just a quick reminder and a briefing here.
Well, just a quick reminder. They're charging him with child pornography. They're charging him with producing this tape that was a sex tape of a person under the age of 18.
Okay. So they're saying that it was a 13-year-old girl at the time. Is that correct?
That was the age of the person, the alleged age of the person. It was in the video. She, of course, is claiming it's not her, and she may actually testify for the defense in this.
Bottom line, what's your thoughts about this case? You've read the background, you've read the affidavits, you're very familiar with it. What are the chances he's going to go to jail?
Well, that really depends. Part of it is because we can't determine what the evidence is because of the gag order. With regard to the gag order, right now they've had several secret meetings that are held behind closed door to protect R. Kelly and to protect and not taint the jury pool. When someone goes in as a celebrity, obviously there's that celebrity aura that walks in with them, and we don't know what the state is going to end up producing at trial.
Now, these are some serious charges, so much so, in fact, that people from all over the world are so interested in this trial. You got MTV, the BBC, people from France and Japan, of course, right here in our own United States. Media circus. You went to the courtroom yesterday. It took the R. Kelly trial to refurbish the courtroom.
Well, the courtroom has been redone. The maintenance guys were in there putting in new seats for the jurors. The front has been painted. There's a new information desk. I do think that this case is going to go forward. The defense motion, based upon the fact that this is a media circus or that for some reason the media is causing a problem in trying this case, the media is not going to dissipate. You know, as we talked about, MTV's there. You've got outlets from all over the world. You've got it from Switzerland, France, England. They're not going to just not stop coming.
So the fact that the defense is trying to file this motion now to postpone the trial yet again, you think that's going to be just kibosh really quickly?
I really don't think that after 6 years that's going to be a valid basis for the judge to continue the case. The judge is free to do whatever he wants to do, but I don't think that he is going to, in my opinion, continue it on that basis. Because the media, the coverage is just going to continue.
And 6 years, if this was an average person, they'd be going to court right away. Why is it taking so long?
Part of it is that there were 30 pretrial motions filed. We had defense counsel involved in the case. We had the judge involved in the Brown's Chicken case. We had an injury of the judge. We had R. Kelly having an appendectomy. His bus got stopped in Utah when he was speeding.
Just if somebody got pregnant, right? I heard one of the prosecutors also had a baby, and
she did.
She was
she
one of the
baby.
lead prosecutors. I mean, there has been so many weird things going on. 6 years seems like an awful long time. The longer you wait for trial, in your experience, what does that mean for the defense, and what does it mean for the prosecution?
Well, anytime you age a case, the defense counsel is going to be in a better position because memories fade. You can always make those arguments during cross-examination. In this particular case, the girl is now, I believe, 23 years old, and she's going to testify that that's not her on the videotape. We assume that the state, based on the reports, are going to bring forward this woman who testified that she had a three-way with both Mr. Kelly and the minor in question.
All right, Thomas Glasgow, defense attorney, thanks for coming in this morning. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
We'll see if this gets going today.